Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we're given an initial velocity of 20 meters per second, an acceleration of the form minus big C times t, that it takes 8 seconds until the object stops. And then obviously when the object stops, it'll have a final velocity of 0 meters per second. And we're asked to find c. To do this, we need to integrate this form of the acceleration to get v of t. So part A, v is equal to the integral of a, so minus c t dt, and then we have our v naught. Now moving the v naught to the other side, I have v minus v naught is equal to minus c, pulling the c out of the integral of t dt, which is t squared over 2. And then now I can plug in values for t and v minus v naught, and then calculate big C. So we know negative 20, right, this is v minus v naught, is equal to negative big C times t squared over 2. In this case, t squared is 64 since t is 8. So 64 over 2. Calculating for C, I get that C is equal to 0.625 meters per second cube. We're given these units in the problem. And that's the answer to part A. For part B, we're trying to find the distance traveled during the trip. So since v is equal to negative c times t squared over 2 plus v naught, we can find x of t by integrating this. So x is equal to negative c over 2 times the integral of t squared dt plus v naught t plus x naught. So in this step, I pulled the negative c over 2 outside the integral, so I just have the integral of t squared dt. I integrated just v naught, which all it does is put a t there, and then we also have our x naught here. And now we need to carry out the integration. So I get t cubed over 3 plus v naught t plus x naught. So we want the distance traveled, and so really we want x minus x naught. We don't know what x naught is, but we just know that x minus x naught is the distance traveled during this trip. Now we figured out what our c value was, and so we can plug that in. We know what t is. T is 8 seconds. We know what v naught is, we know what t is, and I move the x naught over. So we have everything we need to solve this. And when you do this out in the calculator, you get that x minus x naught is 106.752 meters, which is the distance traveled over the trip from time is equal to 0 seconds to time is equal to 8 seconds. And so this is the final answer.